nung palagi ako ng closing shift, diba? Nung nagsasite pa ako, dalas kasi ako nahihiwan sa prod. Ano ka na, exhausted ka na, tapos wala ka na sa mood kasi wala namang tao eh. Pero kasi sila, pag lumapit sa'yo, parang lagi nakasmile, naglinis siya, tapos nangangamusta, gano'n. So,
siguro yung nag-stand out sa kanila is one call away lang sila and they are very approachable.
I can see that they are a big factor sa community natin because they are the ones who keep our surroundings at saka yung like yung CRs, yung pantries clean.
Hi mga ates and kuyas, we do appreciate your hard work here in Carolan.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ates and kuyas, kasi kahit na hindi kami nanghihingi ng help, you have the initiative na mag-ask sa amin, lapitan kami kung ano yung kailangan namin. From the GB Manila, thank you so much.
I just wanted to thank them for their dedication to their work and of course for showing genuine care, especially in ensuring the safety and security of all employees at Carolan.
Hi, good morning everyone. Thank you so much Ates and Kuyas. Without having you here in the operations, hindi magiging successful ang bawat araw namin. Ates and Kuyas, you're such a gem.
Maraming salamat ate and kuya!
Dagang salamat, Mano ko Mayang!
Maraming salamat mga ates and kuyas!
Agyaman kami! Thank you for all the hard work, mga ates and kuyas!
Thank you so much mga Ates and Kuyas!
Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat!